Hey folks, it's Ron here again with Off-Road Tracks with another quick tutorial on something that one of our members has asked about. Actually, a few members have asked about in the past, and it is about how do I download. We've already got the video on how do we upload a file to the group site, but someone asked, how do I download a file from the site? So let's take us through. We're at the Facebook group, and we're going to go ahead and click on Files. That's where all the files are for the group. Now, once you're here, you can click on how you want these files to be ordered or sorted. So if I know I'm looking for a particular file, and let's say we have ours ordered by state, and then of course there's tutorials and things in here, but I'm going to go ahead and click by name. And then once I find my file, and I'll scroll down just so you can see, I'll just go down to one here. We can click at the bottom, see more, to get to the next files. But I'm just going to go down. I'm going to grab one here that we've uploaded, which is a Kentucky Creek file. There's GPX and KML. We've already talked about that before, the differences and where they're used. But let's go ahead and say that we want to download this particular file. There is then two ways to do this. We can either go over here on the three dots and click the download button here, or we can simply click on the file, and it is going to give us the option to download the file right here. Once we click download, the file is going to show up in the area you see right down here. It already showed up. So again, click on files, go to the file you want, and either click the three dots here and download, or click on the file itself and download. I'll do it here just so you can see again. Download here, and you can see it shows up. Now, where does that file go? If you don't know, you can click on the arrow here and say show in the folder. And there's my file. So it's as easy as that. Now you can take that file and copy into your device. Import, we'll copy it to wherever we want. We'll cover importing and exporting in a different video tutorial, but hopefully that was easy enough. If you have any questions, let me know. And this is Ron from Off-Road Tracks. Take care and hope to catch you on the trail soon. Bye-bye.